Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing what matters. Update the Arctis Nova Pro wireless firmware on a PC so the headset behaves predictably, then grab the supplied 3.5 mm audio cable. Once done, plug the cable into the headset and into your Xbox controller's headphone jack. Make sure the controller is powered and running the latest firmware too. You're switching the headset to a wired interface because Xbox consoles don't accept the Nova Pro wireless dongle directly. So this is the only guaranteed connection path. Once physically connected, head into Xbox settings and open volume and audio output so you control what the controller sends to the headset. Set headset format to stereo uncompressed for lowest latency. If you need surround virtualization, pick Windows Sonic, but expect extra processing. Then set chat mixer to balance game and chat volumes to your preference. Make sure mic monitoring and headset volume are reasonable. These in-console settings fold with the Nova's onboard controls to give you a usable mix. Finish by running a quick test. Join a party chat and play an audio-heavy scene to confirm both mic and game sound. Use the Nova Pro's volume and sidetone controls to hear yourself and avoid shouting. If audio or mic isn't present, make sure the controller firmware is current, the cable is fully seated, and the headset battery isn't dead. These are common issues. If problems persist, swap in a different 3.5 mm cable or another controller to isolate the faulty component and restore working audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.